Hey, this is Dad Random. Getting ready to do a little scenic flight. All right, hey, this is Dad Random. Getting ready to do a little scenic flight with the Dji Fpv, little manual flight. Wind is, it's there, but it's not significant, so we should be good. It's a little bit of a challenging flight, but I'm just going to take my time. Use the entire battery, and we should be good. I'm in a good mood. I'm in a kind of one of those states of mind that I need to be in, and so I should be in full manual. Last time I flew this, I wasn't in full manual, so I am in full manual now. I'm ready to go ahead and get it plugged in. We got a battery. Got to get our goggles ready to go. All right. And I'm going to flip it over to the direction I need to be heading. So here we go. It shouldn't be bad. It should be a nice, calm, easy flight. All right, here we go. Go ahead and turn it around right there. And looks like we're good. Looks like we've got audio. Should be good there. I don't have my regular stand, so all right. So we're gonna go full on. Let's get. Ready there. All right. Looks like we're good. Let's make sure we've got stick down. I'm going to remove my sunglasses. There you go, glasses. So we're going to do combo flights. So we're going to be both phone and goggles. And I'm going to make sure we turn up let's go to display, turn the brightness up just a hair, manual flight, let's go to 15 degrees. There we are on our way. And everything is always better in manual. Just have way more control. We're trying to get some really pretty video too at the same time. Trying to get our flight easy. And we've got a little bit of vertical to hit here. And we want to get to the very top. Raise your fist in the air. As much. Raise your fist in the air. Raise your fist in the air. Okay. Raise your fist in the air. Raise your fist in the air. Raise your fist in the air. easy does it approach him, you can.
The captain has turned on the seatbelt light. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelts.
And there we are at the very top. My heart is just beating so fast. Raise your fist in the air. Raise your fist in the air. Okay. Raise your fist in the air. 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 Yeah. Raise your fist in the air. Raise your fist in the air. Raise your fist in the air. We're to a mosh pit. Because your speed can really get up there. Remember, this is a big dog. In our climb, but it's kind of windy on the backside, so what's happening is the wind is pushing us down. All right, that's it. That is all I got. That's all I got in me, guys. I'm telling you, I am out of gas. You know, some of you guys think it's fun to crash. I'm not one of those people. Oh man, I am not one of those people. So I'm done. Oh man. Oh. All I can tell you is thank the Lord. Whew. That is stress. Let's bring it back here. All right, hey, there you go. All right. There she be. That is the scenic flight of Dji Fpv. So what do you think? What do you think of my scenic flight? Did you like it? And I'm gonna be truthful on a flight like that. Here, let me get my glasses on. On a flight like that, I was literally scared out of my mind, okay? And you should be too. Some of you guys are just flying like upside down crazy and not taking into consideration the wind, not taking in consideration all of the amount of pre-planning that goes into flying like that. And I planned my butt off, and I'm calming down now. That was a really stressful flight. I would rather fly over a canyon than fly down the side of a cliff with that specific quad. So a little bit butt puckery, but the problem was is when you get up to the ridge right up there, when you get up to that top ridge, it's the wind that's kicking in. The wind kicks in, and you get the effects of the wind blowing down. So when you're trying to basically just coast, you're getting the extra effect of the wind wanting to push it down as well. So we had a little bit of excitement on the downward slope, and I kind of figured that. I was looking at the flag stretched out today, and I said, it's between 5 to 7. But up there, it could be, 10 to 15. So anyway, successful. Guys, don't crash. This is not a crashing quad. You don't crash this. This is not something to experiment with your flight skills. That's what a home build is for. And if I did this same flight with any of my other quads, and I will be doing it, I will show nowhere near the same amount of stress because it's so much easier with a home build. And it's not that I don't want to break it, or I do not like to crash, period. But I feel like I have a lot more control, and this one's got so much momentum, so much weight, that it carries that same weight. It doesn't float on your way down. It freaking cruises down. So anyway, I think we got some good footage today, and I am very happy with that. So thank you for enjoying this flight with me, Dad Random, on this beautiful day. Guys, the weather is awesome here. It is perfect. It is perfect weather for flying this thing. Probably a little too gusty, but in the spring, that's what you got here. You got gusts. So, all right. So Dad Random, feel that? You hear that? Dad Random, DJI FPV, successful. Ridge flying, and some of the stress that goes along with ridge flying. Guys, if you don't feel it, don't fly. Today I felt it. I knew I was going to be okay. There was a little sketchiness coming down that first cliff there, but that's the nature of the beast, man. Fly for fun, guys. Get that FPV out. Guys, you don't have to crash this thing. Don't crash it. You don't have to crash it, okay? That's it. That's the only scuff I'm ever going to put into that, okay? That's it, okay? I'm crossing my fingers. Later. Dad Random. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Great one. Don't crash your FPV. Fly safe. Fly smart. And, of course, make sure you get out and you fly for fun. Later. Bye.